Washington. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 11 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Havre de Grace to near Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
My brother's trying to
Impact,
watch a
motors
news
from
game
small
and this
craft could
happens.
be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Love Point, Hart Miller Island, Rock Hall, Chester River, Northeast River, Tilchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spissovy Island, 7-Foot Mill, and Bodkin Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Fog. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Sunday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to 25 knots. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Baltimore, Maryland, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Baltimore City in northern Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 4 a.m. Saturday. At 9:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Baltimore, Pikesville, Towson, Woodlawn, Reynoldstown, Parksville, Boynes Mills, Kearney, Milford Mill, Lockern, Mays Chapel, Timonium, Hampton, Lutherville Timonium, Garrison, Lutherville, Riderwood, and Granite. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.